This is V-Guard tower fan. Now that summers are coming, is required. Actually, if you buy from good brand, unlike V-Guard, if you buy from good brand, which is not V-Guard, then the things will be good. When I bought it, they gave used motor, a bad motor, and then they replaced it with a used motor because it was under 1 year warranty. And this motor was speed was not switching in the new product. That means they are using recycled product. So few 2-3 times I have done servicing, 4 times in the last 2 years or 3 years of using it. And dust and all collects, cobweb, dust, all that, and that lint, that is okay. But here many things go bad with respect to rubber, plastic, all those things. This motor is okay, it is recycled, but it is okay. This plastic thing broke, so I had put this reinforced with wires, and then put glue over that with melted hot wire, reinforce the plastic, and then put glue. So now major problem with this is, one is this what do you call this drum blower is there. So problem comes with this part, and in this motor, this part is okay. They are fixing this shaft with a metal bush and Allen key, that is okay. Problem comes in the lower part of this shaft in the motor. The lower part, some problem comes. I'll show you. I'll be talking about the one which is inside this case and above this. Yeah, what happens is here this kind of plastic mounting plate is there. Here inside one bush is there. So when you use it, there is one plastic bush. Now I have put some glue in this, or Fevi bond, you can say, rubber adhesive, rubber cement. But after 1 year of use only, this rubber had become weak, and it is supposed to be holding this plastic bush properly, because it is mounted like this. Okay, then this plastic bush has to be pinched properly by this rubber cone, otherwise it will come down. So it was coming down and falling on this shaft, and the top part of the shaft was rubbing and eating away this rubber. Okay, so one thing is this bush which is there. It is like this much size, approximately half an inch bush, plastic bush. I fixed it, so I am not removing it. So you have to properly put Fevibond on that, and then put it inside so that it does not fall off, and apply again Fevibond and wait for at least 2 hours for it to dry. Then while mounting, put grease inside this, because that bush is supposed to be stationary with respect to this rubber boot, and the shaft will rotate inside this. So this plastic bush is okay, it has not got destroyed, but this thing was falling off. So I had put some 2 or 3 nuts and washer here, so that the plastic bush does not slide down. But that did not work out, and it is damaging this shaft, and is creating some noise. Okay, so that is for this top part. This bottom part, that means the lower part of this shaft, where the shaft goes uh, inside this motor. Okay, inside this motor casing. So it will be something like this. Here this is the motor. Inside this whole part is inside the motor. Okay, this whole thing is inside the motor. So what happened is, after this whole thing is inside the motor, there is like winding here, and this is the rotor part. Okay, this is the rotor part, or I think you call it squirrel cage. Then this is the, from here to here is the stainless steel shaft. Okay, then above this squirrel cage there will be plastic covering, a thick plastic covering for the shaft. Okay, then so this whole thing is inside the motor, that remember. Then there will be a fiberglass washer, and then this round bush will be there. Bush will be there, inside which this shaft sits. This fiberglass washer is to protect this plastic cover of the shaft, so that the heat of friction, the heat created due to friction between this and this, does not damage the plastic cover of the shaft. Okay, so after 1 year of use, this thing which is there in the top, similar thing is there in the bottom. This fiberglass washer had gone bad. It was almost fully destroyed. There was no replacement also for this. The bottom part, this fiberglass washer will get damaged, and this will be okay because the whole load of this shaft is there inside, is falling onto this bush, and this is getting pressed. So this will get slowly destroyed, and after that this plastic will start rubbing against this bush. The plastic is sitting inside this bush. Then some debris will fall in this gap, which has very fine tolerance, and then if this fiber washer is not there, and even if you put grease and clean properly, within few days this motor will stop. It will jam, seize, because burnt plastic will fall into this. The shaft will not be able to rotate. So for that I tried finding this, but it was not there. So finally this washer is gone. I put some cotton, a lot of it actually, first soaked in motor oil and then put it in this. So then after that it is working for some 4-5 months also without any problem. So now this is not directly making contact like this. Here no direct contact is there, gap is there without the washer. And this cotton, every service you can soak with oil or replace also. What I remember is you have to put lot of cotton soaked with oil, layer by layer, almost if required 1/3 or up to half of it you can put this cotton, and lot of oil should be here. So that is the solution for this. And top side I told this bush has to be is important and should not slide down. Otherwise fan is good, but this company is not good. You get from some reputed brand, they are charging quite good amount, but the every 6 months something or the other goes bad.